Here are the top stories for May 13th. The Department of Justice reiterated that the Philippine government can hand over Filipinos with arrest warrants issued by the International Criminal Court. They referred to the same stance they took when former President Rodrigo Duterte was arrested and sent to The Hague in March last year. DOJ official Martinez explained that Republic Act 9851 lets Philippine authorities surrender or extradite suspects to an international court or another country, as long as the laws and treaties are in accordance with it. He added that extradition is still another way to transfer people. The DOJ made this statement while questions are being raised about Ronald De La Rosa, who was named as a co-perpetrator in the ICC case on crimes against humanity related to the Duterte administration's anti-drug campaign. The Senate of the Philippines recently put De La Rosa under protective custody after the National Bureau of Investigation tried to arrest him on May 11th. Malacanang said in a press briefing on May 12th that the recent change in Senate leadership should not slow down the passage of the 21 priority bills set by the previous leadership. Presidential Communications Office. Undersecretary Claire Castro said these measures, which were discussed at the last LADAC meeting before the leadership changed under then Senate President Vicente Sotto III, should remain a priority despite the reorganization. Castro stressed that the proposed laws are meant to benefit the public and should move forward even with the changes in Senate leadership. She also said that any delays would not help the people, the President, or Congress. At the February 2026 LADAC meeting, President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. approved 21 priority measures that are set to be passed before June. The next LADAC meeting is scheduled for May 19th. On May 8th, lawyer Nicholas Kaufman requested to withdraw from the legal team of former President Rodrigo Duterte in his crimes against humanity case at the International Criminal Court. Kaufman said that lawyer John Haynes is ready to take over Duterte's defense now that the terms of engagement have been finalized. According to St. Philip's Barristers website, John Haynes is described as an experienced defense lawyer who specializes in international criminal law and human rights. He has represented heads of state and appeared before the ICC, the International Criminal Tribunal for the former Yugoslavia, and the Special Tribunal for Lebanon. This change in Duterte's legal team comes just weeks after the ICC confirmed the charges against him, allowing a full trial to move forward over alleged crimes against humanity linked to his administration's anti-drug campaign. Vice President Sara Duterte expressed concern over what she described as a growing lack of respect for the Senate's independence, while reiterating that arrest warrants issued outside the Philippine judicial system cannot be enforced in the country without authorization from Philippine courts. In a video interview released by the Office of the Vice President on Wednesday, May 13th, Duterte discussed ongoing political controversies and issues related to the International Criminal Court. The Vice President also questioned the understanding of sovereignty among some administration officials. Duterte's comments came after some senators urged Senator Ronald Bato De La Rosa to surrender to authorities should the ICC issue a warrant of arrest against him. She stressed that a warrant not issued by a Philippine court cannot be implemented within Philippine territory. This morning, May 13th, Mayon Volcano released a lava-related pyroclastic density current, also called a uson, on its southwestern slopes, according to the Philippine Institute of Volcanology and Seismology. The activity occurred along the Miyisi Gully at 11:22 a.m., producing a volcanic plume about 4,000 meters high that drifted southwest and ended around 11:37 a.m. PHIVOLCS reported that lava continues to flow along the Basud, Banga, and Miyisi gullies. They also recorded occasional strombolian activity, lava fountaining, and crater glow, as well as several volcanic events, including 350 rockfalls, 7 PDCs, and 35 volcanic earthquakes over the past 24 hours. Mayon is still under Alert Level 3, which means there is increased magmatic activity and a risk of dangerous eruptions. Authorities reminded everyone that entering the 6-kilometer permanent danger zone is strictly prohibited. People living within 8 kilometers are advised to stay alert and be ready to evacuate if the situation worsens. Stay updated with the latest news. Visit our website at www.mb.com.ph or follow us on social media. Thanks for tuning in to the Manila Bulletin Daily Rundown.